Class 10th, the year that decide everything, or does it? But here is the harsh reality no one tells you. Just stay with me for the next few minutes. This might change how you see this entire year. Hi everyone, I am Hassan and welcome to my YouTube channel Alavrar. Just where we talk about the real students' life and their struggles, what the struggle they are facing in the life, and what are the smart solutions so they can fight from them. Okay, just today we will be talking on the harsh reality of class 10th. Just many of you just recently came in class 10th. When you came in class 10th, what do you feel? Just suddenly you feel the pressure from everywhere. This is similarly with me happen. I think so. It might be going to be same with you all. Just you came in your class 10th. You might be feeling the pressure from everywhere. The pressure from your parents, from your teachers. You might be feeling the pressures from your relatives, and even the student. Those who are student even themselves feel the pressure. It is the truth thing that we can't deny that they are not feeling the pressure. Yes, when you came in class 10, it's the natural tendency. Everyone feel the pressure. What why student feel the pressure? Score 90 plus like marks. I think so. If you are getting 90 plus 90 plus like marks, everyone accept you just as a good person or as a good student, but here's the harsh reality that that might change uh, this entire year how you see this entire year. Just believe me, the marks cannot define your worth, what you can do in life. Just marks is another thing, but skill is another thing. uh, just now you might be feeling the same thing. The races has been started, I think so. It is a month of July. The races might be started. Just you can see the races from coaching classes to tuitions. Students are running just like a mad races. Even even after going to the school, they are not going directly to their houses, but they are going to the tuitions first. Why they are doing such things? Just they are doing these such things so that they should get a good marks, and everyone think that he's gonna have a good future ahead. And this feeling that everyone is going tuitions, even students go tuitions, two subjects, three subjects. Even I saw many students go all the five subject tuitions. Even English, Hindi, SST, they go for tuitions. This is the natural. Just student came in class 10. They might be having parents pressures, relatives pressure, so that I should get good marks. Then can only I can have a good future ahead. And another thing, uh, just when you are seeing in your surroundings, some students are studying for 10 hours. Some student might be studying for 12 hours, 16 hours. But here, what you will feel that everyone is going tuitions, everyone is going studying hard so that they should get a good marks. And you will also fall in this category only, and you will also start picking your bag, going tuitions, after coming tuitions then another tuitions, but you not might be getting the time for your self study. This is the biggest mistake students are doing, but students not realizing on the self realization, and just they are not knowing their skill, what they are good in. If suppose you are good in sports, just definitely just you study, just study hard, just get 70 plus marks, 60 plus marks, but your skill should be good in. If you're good in sports, then go mad on the sports. If you're good in music, just go mad on the music. This is the harsh reality that no one tells with you. But everyone tell you just study hard, get 90 plus marks, you will be success. But definitely believe me, uh, what is the truth here is that if you score 95 plus marks or 90 plus marks, it doesn't guarantee you success in life. Just it's true. It's harsh reality that student, just you are in 10th class, you will not believe this. After passing your 10th class, when you will be going 11, 12, and further, just you will realize that it's nothing. It's zero. It's kind of zero if you have not worked on your skill. This is the best time you can work on your skill, so that in future you not might go running for the jobs. You not might go for running for just going to the companies for asking for a job or for anything interview. Just build your skill, and everyone will be talking about your marks, about your performance, but no one will be talking about your the anxiety you are feeling, uh, the mental pressure you are feeling, the burnout you are feeling. Just no one will ask. Everyone will ask your performance. This everyone cannot think about this thing. Just you can feel it. Just you are feeling it. Might be uh, that is the circle that everyone will be talking about these things. No one will be talking about what is in your mind, what's going on beyond your studies. No one will be asked for what matters the most. If marks not matters the most, then what matters the most? I think so. It matters your hard work, your skills, and how you handle the failure. In life you will get many failure, then how you will handle those failure. These just I matters always too. Say what class 10 teaches you. Class 10 teaches you hard work. Yes, definitely class 10 teaches you hard work and discipline. I We can't deny it. Class 10th, it will tell you how you can do hard work. Just at night you will study. Just you are in morning you are waking, just you are going to school, then tuition classes, everything. This shows you the discipline in you, and this shows the hard work, that you can do the hard work. The most important thing, class 10 definitely teaches you the hard work, how you can do hard work in life, and how you can be disciplined in life. Just one thing I have learned from my class 10, uh, just it told us how you can do hard work and how you can be disciplined. Just to wake up early in the morning, just and go your school. After coming to the school, tuition, then your self study, then in between you can do other tasks also. It teaches you how you can manage the time and how you can be more skillful during your 10th class. Then what the most thing I saw, um, uh, that the social pressure of Sharma ji ka beta syndrome is real in life. How if someone's if you're having your parents your parents are having the friends, if his son got good marks, then that comparison is real. That comparison cannot be denied. It always matter. If you not got good marks, if your parents is having a friend, your parents having a friend whose son got the good marks, that syndrome will always be matched. The comparison that cannot be denied. What you should focus, you should focus on the progress, not on the perfections. Simply just your focus should be on the your focus should be on the process. If you're having any process, just your focus should be on the process, not you have to not to jump from here to here. Just you have to see the process, what is the process of going from one step to the another. Just your task should be on the process. If you have done the process, suppose uh, during examination, just in your whole 10th class, just you have done the all the previous year questions paper, you have solved all the questions, you have studied everything deeply, you have done the hard work, you was the discipline, everything was you have done, whole process you have done in the right way. If at the end of the day you do not got the result what you want, suppose you want 90 plus like marks, if you not got at the end this, but you will not feel harassment inside, because you have done the process, you have not gone for the result. If you have done the process, then you will feel the confidence, but you will feel, yeah, I have done all the hard work, all what is the process to get good marks, all the things I have done, at the end I not got it. It means I have done my work, I am satisfied with myself. If I got 85 plus marks, it's okay. 80 marks, it's okay. 75 plus marks, it's okay. I have done it. I have done the hard work, I not got it, then no matter. But I am confident. I know the things. This will build your mind. This will build your mind. If suppose you got the 90 plus marks, you will say, oh, just I am the topper. Now I can do anything. That will kill you. That will kill you. Definitely, that will kill you. And if you are confident in your life, you got 60% marks. If you're confident, yeah, okay, it's okay, just I enjoyed my life, I have done whatsoever I want, but I am happy, I can do good in my life. That confidence you should have at the age when you are in 10th class. This will help you in the further in future. At last, I would like to say this: class 10th is important, but it's not the end of the world. Just don't chase marks, chase learning, fear from failure, learn from the failure. Most importantly, don't forget to live, because your life is more important than one exam. Thank you for